Okay, now for question 1, so we did paper 1 last week. So we're going to do paper 2 today. Okay, so this is part of your revision towards prelim and PSLE. Yeah. I think most of you, your prelims are done and dusted, but I think we're left with prelims for some of you. Okay, do share your results when you get them. All right. Okay, so the total cost of a pen and a calculator is this. So a pen plus a calculator, total cost is $35. The cost of the pen is 2 out of 5 of calculator. So if we put the pen as 2 units, calculator as 5 units. So we have 2 unit plus 5 unit to give me $35. So that means your 7 unit is $35. So we want to find the cost of the calculator, which is 5 unit. So I need to first find the value of 1 unit to give me 5. So since the cost of the calculator here is 5 unit, so that means we're finding 5 unit to give me 25. Okay, so that's $25. Okay, so the calculator costs $25. Okay, question 2. So if you look at the diagram, P is made up of 6 identical. So take note, the important keyword here is identical squares. Now, however, 2 squares were removed from P to form Q. And the perimeter of P is 360. So that means there are no dimensions given to us. So when you look at this question, since there are no dimensions given to us and they are all identical squares, we let the length of each square to be 1 unit. So we let the length of each square to be 1 unit. So to find the perimeter of 360, can you see this? That's 1, 2, 3. That's 3 unit. Now, the interesting part about this is push this out, I will get a full rectangle. So that makes this 3 unit as well. 2, 3 unit. And what do I have here? So again, this push out, push out, push out, and push out, I will have another 3 unit. So total, what do I have? I will have 3 unit times 4, which is, yes, Jeremy, that's right. So 3 unit times 4 will give me 12 unit is equals to 360 cm. So that makes 1 unit equals to 30. Now, you want to find perimeter of diagram Q, right? So Q will be 1, 2. So if you push that out, you have 3, 3, 2, and 2. So what do I have? 10 units. So 10 unit is the perimeter of diagram Q. So that's 10 times 30 to give me 300 cm. Okay, got that? Okay, so that's question number 2. So let's look at question number 3. Okay, so for question number 3 is a grouping question. Take note, what is the information given to us? So we know that 1 ticket is $15 each, but $10 discount is given for every 4. So that means for every set of 4 tickets, what's the cost? 4 ticket costs $15 each minus a $10 discount to give me $50. Yes, Jeremy, it is. Yes, that's right. Okay, so every set is $50. So of course, you want to buy sets, isn't it? Because for every set, you will be able to save $10. So every set you're able to save $10. Now, if Kelson paid $330 for the tickets, to find out how many tickets he bought, we need to first find out number of sets of 4 tickets that he bought. Will be, I take 330 divide by 50 to give me 6, remainder $30. Okay, so this is 6 remainder $30. Alright, because 6 times 50 is $300. Now, this 6 refers to what? 6 groups or 6 sets of 4 tickets. 6 sets of 4 to give me 24 tickets. With this $30, how many tickets can you get? You can get 2. So that means the total number of tickets that Kelson bought. Okay, how many he got? A total of 24 plus 2 to give me 26 tickets. Okay, so that's a total of 26 tickets. Question? Okay, let's look at question number 4. Okay, so they tell us that PQRS is a straight line. PQRS is a straight line. QSTU is a parallelogram. QSTU. So this. So we highlight our parallelogram so that it is pretty obvious. All right. So it's pretty obvious to us when we highlight them. So that's a parallelogram. And TR is equals to TU. So TR is equals to TU. That means this is also B. Okay. All right. Now, I want to find angle A. How do I do that? I just have to take 90 degrees plus 30 degrees to give me 120 degrees. So angle A. Why is angle A 120 degrees? Because what is the property here that we're using? We're using the property of the exterior angle. A plus B is A and B makes the exterior angle. Okay, now, so to find angle B, so we know that this is 120. So if that's 120, what are the, Jeremy, yes, your B is correct. Okay, now, so what other information do we have? Anyone? What other information do we have? Okay, now, because this is a parallelogram, right? So that means this angle must be equal to angle RST is equals to 180 minus 120 to give me 60. Do I need this? Okay, now do I need this angle? If I write this down, do I need this angle? Anyone? Do you think I need that angle? No. Okay, so if I don't need this angle, what should my next angle be that I have to find in order for me to then eventually solve? That's right, very good. So what do I need eventually to solve 120 minus 20? That's right. Okay, so this being 120, that means it is a parallelogram, right? So since it is a parallelogram, that means this must also be equal to 120. Okay, so that is equal to 100. That means angle UTS is equals to 120. So angle UTR is equals to 120 minus 20. Okay, so if this angle here, which is just within here, is 100 degrees. That means angle B will be 180 minus 100 divided by 2 to give me 40. Okay? Because we look at this as an isosceles triangle. You see that? So the orange or the yellow triangle is actually an isosceles triangle because PR is equal to TU. Okay, very good. All right, next question. Okay, let's see who got number 5 correct. Number 8. Ashika and Perez. Okay, now, so we have the value here, or rather, we have the items, which are coins, and these also are the values, items or values. And we have quantity or number. So we have these items, 10-cent coins, 20-cent coins, and 50-cent coins. Quantity in terms of the ratio will be 4, 2, and 1 times the value. That means what each coin represents. Sure, Wilma, go ahead. So I multiply by 10 cents, 20 cents, and 50 cents. Total value will be 0.40, 0.40, and 0.50 to give me a total of 1.3 unit. Okay? Now, this refers to, what is this refer to? Total value of all coins. Okay, so we know that 1.3 unit is equals to $156. That means 1 unit would be to give me 120. So what do I want? I want to find what is the total value. So total value must be in this column. Okay, so total value must be in this column. Which one am I looking at? Total value of the 20-cent coins. So total value of the 20-cent coins would be this 0.4 unit, which is 0.4 times 120 to give me $48. Okay, 0.4 times 120 to give me $48. Okay, right? So that's question number 5. Let's look at question number 6. Okay, now, when it comes to this where you have a discount, again, just a reminder, as long as you see discount, interest, and GST, okay, so long as you see this, we don't change the fraction in its simplest form. So, Susan bought a rice cooker for $133 after. So, this is after a 30% discount. So, this is actually the 70% of the usual price or the original price. So, that means 70% is $133. So, that makes 1% equals to how much? Divide by 70 to give me, what's 133 divided by 70? To give me $1.90. So that means what I want to find is before discount. So before discount means we're finding 100%, which is equal to 100 times $1.90 to give me $190. Glenn, you wanted to say something? Jeremy, yes to both answers, yes. Okay, all right. Okay, so we have Now, she paid, so that